If you're someone like me, guys, and you own yourself an iPhone and you know that the new iPhone 17 has just come out and you need accessories, I think these 4 accessories are accessories that you would definitely need in your daily life. Let's get straight into the video. All right, guys, so I have 4 accessories right here. 2 have actually opened already because I'm actually using it. And I will start with the first one, and the first one is the iPhone, the case. Let me put these to the side for now. So if you're someone that you know how these iPhones are, they tend to fall easily out of your hand. They tend to be very slippery. I think having an iPhone case will definitely help with this. If you look at my phone here, I've had this phone. This is the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I'll be getting the 17 Pro Max soon. And if you look at this phone, this is an older phone, and you can see how good the quality is. There's no scratches, no dents or anything like that, and that's all because of this iPhone case that I bought as soon as I got the phone. So that's one of the things I would actually recommend. If you get your phone and you know that your phone is coming in, I'd recommend that you actually purchase an iPhone case as quickly as possible, because you never know when you have your phone in your hand and your phone actually falls on the ground, because this phone has actually fallen on the ground many times and my phone is still in great shape. This actual case comes with a stand, a kickstand as well. And not only that, I love the fact that when you look at the edge of the screen right here, the edges of the case actually come a couple millimeters above the screen. So if it does fall flat like that, you won't have to worry if your phone screen is going to be impacted, because of that couple millimeters above the screen will definitely help you. Let's move on to the next item. So the next item actually, guys, is something that you have actually probably seen on this video before, and this is a battery pack. If you're someone who's always on the go, you're probably not close to a power outlet or even your car, you know how important it is if you do run out of juice. And this power bank from ESR is pretty good, and it comes with the Qi 2 technology as well. So whenever I actually put it onto my phone, right now it's not turned on, but as soon as I kind of turn it on, you can see right here, let me just do it again one more time. You will see how that animation comes in, and you will start charging your phone. With this power bank, I can actually get about a charge and a half with this actually. So this is just in case if you do run low on battery, you can definitely get this this power bank, because it's very efficient for what it is. And also I love the fact that it actually comes with a kickstand as well. You can either do it this way or you can have it standing up like that. And the leg of this quick stand is pretty sturdy and pretty firm. Not only that, you actually do get a little screen indicator right here. Let me just press the power. You get a little screen indicator right here that shows you the percentage of the actual battery itself. So I think this is something that anybody who owns themselves a phone, whether it's an Android or otherwise, but I'm just referring to the iPhone right now, you will definitely be happy in having something like this. Okay, let's move on to the next item. So the next item, guys, I think all of us should definitely have, and this is a screen for your phone. I'm actually going to go through, do an unboxing for this, and also apply it to the phone, so actually you guys can actually see what it's like. And then what is going to happen now is I actually had one on my phone here, and if you look maybe at the edge, let me just turn the phone off, maybe you'll see it a little better. But if you look here, there's some micro cracks on my screen, and this is because I've actually once it actually hit the edge of something and it actually cracked my screen. But if you notice, my phone is still in great condition. And not only that, this screen actually provides you with some form of privacy. So if you try to turn the phone to the edge, you'll see that the screen just disappears. I don't know if you've ever been into public or ever been on a plane where you're trying to have some privacy on your phone. You may be talking to your wife, whomever, and you're there and somebody's there peeking over at your phone. You definitely know how privacy is important. And I think this is a very fantastic case to get in. So let me just open it and let's get into it, guys. So very nice case here. they have this little tool right here. You have the instruction guide. And thank you for purchasing, really nice. And then you have the actual thing itself. All right, so this is the actual casing that you're going to be putting the actual phone into, as you can see right there. Okay, so let's put these to the side, and now let's open this up. All right, so you have these little stickers right here. You have your wet wipes, and they gave you actually 2 of them. Well, 3 here, and now you have a little card. I'll put that to the side. Then you have, they actually give you 2 screens, which I think is fantastic. So if ever one should get damaged, you can always apply a new one. So I'm just gonna put one to the side for now, because we only need one. So now what I'm gonna do, just kind of open up and see what it says here. Firstly, they're saying that you're supposed to just get the phone cleaned off first. So let's get that first. But before I actually go ahead and do that, I need to remove the case, that's the screen that is actually on the phone first. So let's get this off. And just like that, the case is off. And as you can see, guys, like I mentioned before, you're going to see the little cracks right there on the screen, and it's still good. Okay, so let's put that to the side. So now let me get these little wipes. All right, so let's just get this wipe down first. And this is gonna take care of any kind of fingerprints that might be on the phone. I'm sure mine does, since I just kind of touch the screen at the edges with my fingers. Because when you don't want to get any oil on the screen, because that will prevent the adhesive on the screen from holding properly. Okay, and looking at this now, it looks pretty clean. What I'll do, I'll just kind of clean the edges a little bit. Okay, so that's looking pretty good. I think I'm happy with that. All right, so from what I'm seeing here, guys, there's an actual screen on the inside of the case. So you actually have 3 screens, which I think is a fantastic deal. You cannot get any better than this. So this screen here is the second or third one. We actually have a screen inside here. So all you need to do, guys, there's a little hole on the top here, which is for the phone. They have made it so easy for you guys. All you do, you place the phone inside the correct position. And just make sure my phone is in the right position. And all you do, guys, is once the phone is in the casing, you're going to be pulling this plastic here. And all you do is just kind of pull it. Just like that. You turn the phone over, and all you do is just kind of press, so that way the screen is attached to the actual phone itself. And then you just do another extra pull, as you can see right there, and boom, it should be on your phone. And all you do is just kind of wipe. Now all I'm going to do is just take this up and just kind of put this down, and it's a very clean installation. Let me just put these to the side, and if you look at that, guys, that is a clean installation. Wow, so easy and effortless. And all you're going to do, guys, is you're going to pretty much apply back the screen in the case if you want to reapply once more. And this is just in case. This little thing here is just in case you need to, if there are any bubbles, you use this in order to just kind of remove the bubbles from the phone. So I'm just gonna go like that. But this has been an amazing job, guys. So clean, no bubbles or anything like that. But I'm just doing it as an extra precaution, because you just never know. Because the phone is actually turned off now, so when I'm going to power it up, All right, so I'm looking at the phone now and there's no visible areas of bubble. It went onto the phone very, very clean, as you guys can see right there. And I think that is just amazing, guys. All right, so what we'll do now is we'll move on to the next item. So the last item here, guys, is a product from Ulanzi. And I've been seeing it so much on the internet and seeing people talking about it. So let's get straight into the unboxing and see what we have in our hands here. All right. All right, so all that is in this box here, there's nothing else. All that's in this box here is this beautiful item. I've had this for a while now, and I've just been waiting to do this for you guys live. And pretty much what it is, guys, it's a phone holder, and you can also use it as a stand as well. So if you're someone who probably, you want to be in the kitchen somewhere, your fridge is next to you, the fridge normally has a metal surface, you can actually put your phone just like this. Hold on, let me just twist this. And you can see now, hold on, it's not flat. Okay, so you can see now, your phone now becomes a little stand just like that. And if I just look around, you will notice now you can actually put this on your belt, your bag, and also not only that, it comes with a nice little kickstand. So now, if you go like this, your phone can be like that. Excuse me. So if you notice, one side has no magnet, the other side does. If you see that happens, all you do is twist, and it has these little notches. So when you twist it, you actually hear a little clicking sound, and you can actually use it like that. You can use it like that. And I think this is fantastic. So if you're on the road or whatever, and you want to have your phone like this, you can have it. Let's say you're doing a FaceTime call, you don't want to have the phone in your hands. I think this will be perfect right there. You can actually rotate your phone like so, and you can have it in that orientation right there. I think this is fantastic, guys. And wow, it is very sturdy as well. And the build quality is pretty good. And I love the fact that it has this little kickstand here. So if you need to, you can actually put this on the edge of like a screen and actually put it and hang the phone over, which I think is fantastic, guys. So I think for anybody out there who's looking for something like this, I think you will not go wrong with an item of this nature. And it's so compact and small, guys. I think this is definitely a really good buy. And like I mentioned before, if you kind of turn the head, you kind of hear that little snap. It just kind of snaps into place just like that. And the magnet side is over here, and the magnet is pretty decent and strong, as you can see. The strength of it is not too bad, and that's pretty good. All right, guys, so I think we have covered all the accessories that I think you, as a new iPhone holder, will need. And I'm sure there are many other accessories out there. If you guys know of any others, you can just share them in the comment section below, and we can actually talk about it. So all of these items will be in the description below, guys. And if you use the link to purchase, it will really truly help the channel out. So if you guys enjoyed this video, you can smash that like button, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.